Can you see? And sine that gives positive 0.5. There are also two possibilities. So we are going to solve now. Solve. Please don't write. A sine theta is equal to solve for 0 degree less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 360 degree. This means the answer is between 0 and 360 degree. 0.5. 2, or B, sine theta equals to negative 0.5. Now, there are ways to do it. In fact, you might have a tutor that gives you a better way. As long as you understand, it's fine. But this is how I explain to beginners. Mr. Taman, shall we even hear? Because it looks like it's facing here.
I zoomed out, so it catches everything.
Okay. Okay? This is what I encourage students to do. Theta is arc sine of 0.5. In this case, theta will be arc sine of what? Negative 0.5. By the corner, all students take chocolate. Right? Because you have sine theta is 0.5, sine of theta is 0.5, which is positive. Right? It means that angle belongs to where or where? First quadrant or the second quadrant. So what you are looking for is either here or here. Okay? Then you press your calculator, you get 30 degrees because it's on the board. So no need to press that. Right? Look at this. Theta is equal to 30 degrees. But you don't stop there. You say, or theta is equal to. We now want to convert it back to the equivalent in the second quadrant. The acute equivalent of this is 30 degrees. Just like we understand that this is 30 degrees. Now we are interested in the bigger one. And that's the reason for this black line. Are you with me? So the next thing you will do is 180 minus that answer that is shown in your calculator. Because of this. Understand that? And you get finally theta is equal to 30 or theta is equal to 150 degrees. Okay? This is slightly different. Theta is equal to. For this one, can you try to press arc sine of minus 0.5 quickly? Minus 30. But that will not help you. There are ways to get the result even with that minus 30. But you are not ready for that explanation at this stage. So what I want you to do, this negative only tells you, this is how I want you to learn it. Again, there will be other ways to learn it, either now or in future. Go back to your student, take coffee or chocolate. This negative tells you the answer you are looking for is where and where. Speak louder. Third and fourth. To make life easier, all you need to do is find the acute equivalent. What do I mean by acute equivalent? Mr. Tomas, can you zoom in so that we can see the board very well? What do I mean by the acute equivalent? All these alphas is what you need. Okay? And to get all these alphas, because if you get the alphas, you can easily just do the addition and subtraction. To get the alpha, you will remove this 0 minus from your calculator. So in your calculator, even for this, you will press arc sine of 0.5. And on the screen, you will see 30 degrees. Is that not? But that 30 degree is not your answer. Because that 30 degree is in what quadrant? First is the first quadrant. It's an acute value, right? But the result you are looking for is in the third and the fourth. So that 30 degree is like this. It's like 30 degree here. Can you see that? Or 30 degree here. Okay? Whereas you are looking for that red arc. in each of them. Okay? So you will now do, now that you got 30 degrees on your calculator, but when you're writing down, you write for the third quadrant, remember we said it is plus 180, right? Right?
Yeah.
So you write 180 plus that 30 degree. That 30 degrees is on your calculator screen. But because of this, that 30 degree is here. That's not where you need it. You need to now find the equivalent of that. It's like, oh, who is your partner in the third quadrant? And who is your partner in the fourth quadrant? We don't need you. We need your partner in that quadrant. That's the person we want to deal with. Am I making sense? Or, in the fourth quadrant, it is 360 minus that alpha acute, which is in this case 30 degrees. So you get final results 210 or theta is equal to 330. And you see that we got the same thing again. Can I ask you, because we have, oh my God, it's actually time. Everyone look at question, go to the second page. Can you try question 14? It says cos x is equal to minus 1 over root 2. Can you tell me where your answer lies? Yes, quickly. Where do you think the answer will be? The value of x is in which quadrant? Lason?
The second and the third.
Second and third. Again, are we here? Oh my God, someone needs to deputize Mr. Samash. Cos x is equal to minus 1 over root 2. Clearly, with your all student take coffee or chocolate, your answer must be here. Yes? Yes?
Yes.
So in your calculator, what would you press? Of course, on the board, I'm going to write it, right? But this is not what you put in your calculator. This is what you will put down. But in your calculator, what would you press? Cos of what? 1 over root 2. Without the minus in your calculator. Because of the kind of calculator you are using. And because of the level you are. And that will give you 45 degree. Yes?
Yeah.
Now that 45 degree, will I write 45 degree on in the paper?
No.
You need to see how to convert it to the second quadrant and the third quadrant. In the second quadrant, the equation of conversion is 180 minus that angle, right? And here, what is the conversion equation?
180 plus.
180 plus the value. So here, what would it be? Quickly. 180 minus 45, or x is equal to?
180 plus 45.
And that's it. The equation in the quadrant is what you can find on the first page of your worksheet. Here. Okay? This will tell you where they are, and this will tell you the equation for the conversion. If you can remember the butterfly, it's easy to do. Somebody might be wondering, what about the exam? How do I remember all this? Look. Everybody look. For the first quadrant, you don't need anything. For the second quadrant, if you are looking for everything here, but you can only find this one. Can you see? Just draw the butterfly and say, oh, I'm looking for everything from here to this place. And I only have this from the calculator. Clearly, you just have to do whatever you have from the calculator, remove from 180. Are you seeing that? If it's in the third quadrant, oh, I'm looking for everything here, but I only have this one. Clearly, you can see that is 180 plus the little one you have. And for this one, oh, I'm looking for this up to here, but I only have this one. That is clearly 360 minus what you have. The only difference is 180 plus theta here. Every other thing is 180 minus or 360 minus. If you can remember that, you are good to go. I'll see you next time. If you have any paper for me, you can click on this page.
Oh, I'm looking for it. Where was it?
Where was what?
Was it inside my
It was not inside your pen.
Was it?
It was in my hand.
It was where?
In my hand.
Did you take a look?
I didn't. I am very kind. I did not steal. It's a lot.
You have grammar or something to do, right? So you should be on your way, please. Already 2:50. Sorry, I had to keep you waiting. It's already 2:50. Please go. We didn't write today's date for me. Too bad. You can give me this paper tomorrow if you want, but please go with your grammar. Just put it down. I will sort it myself. Just put it down, Tiago. I'll sort it myself. Some people are still here. Go. You're late for your drama. Sorry for the delay. Go. Sorry about the delay. I'll post all this later. Then maybe we'll take some 20 minutes to practice tomorrow together.